the heater spill. You want me to explain the meaning, man? Look, they pop them things. But if not, man, shit, I swing them things straight up, bring no pain. The southern nigga, but bigger, don't feel that nigga, feel a passion for skrillers. The taste for finer things and bust, I don't feel them. I'm a gorilla, my nigga, I'm strictly business pimpin'. I'm on that hustle that will shoot me straight to the teeth. I'm pivot, feeling me yet. Wipe that awkward look up off your face. Cause you niggas try to diss this man. Go ahead, don't suck it, that's your place. That triple beam will soon just bling off in you sucker's face. That be the bees on funky shit, so don't you fucking play.
Way back, far back as I can remember. Growing up in the Tennessee streets, you probably remember. And I'm out there flowing deep, sticking, moving, pack that heat. Used to be able to stand on the corner, sling a quarter, keep a shiny eyes, feel with hate. Steam to take food off my plate, man, cause of how I flex my muscle and throw around my weight. I'm out here on the grind, hustling, trying to get what's mine. Nigga, get your own, or at least die trying. Never confront a situation with an uneasy mind. Think that shit through before thinking about fucking with mine. Niggas got deep catching and a over fucking rhyme. Try snitching to these bitches so they don't wanna see me shine. I ain't going nowhere, and that's the biz, kid. Step if you wanna fuck around and get it twisted. Don't fuck around with your kind, that ain't no business. Get in the wrong and your ass will wind up missing.
Standing on the corner, what's up? This what I'm yelling. No, I'm not drug selling. Could I be that future felon? My name is Cartier. My family you with fear. I'm known as the #1 shit starter of the year. Highland 1145 was the address, bro. I used to get blessed and drink a whole mess of that St. Ives, of that gin, of that vodka. Some niggas say that I'm crazy because my uncle's Warren Carter. And I'm part of that first family organization. Niggas on the mission of money making. And no time for faking, cause we always on the take. Quick to see your death with a smiling handshake.
You say you